Krishna. Okay. So Valmiki Muni, he starts describing the features of Shurpanakha. She was ugly looking vicious demoness. Sumukham Durmukhi. Lord Ram is very beautiful to look at and she is Durmukhi. मतलब कुछ लोग ऐसे रहते हैं ना, देख के ऐसा लगता है कि वाइड वाइड वाला है, लाएं क्या? वाइड लगाई ना, वाइड का देखते हैं क्या चलता है. Lord Ram, he had a slender waist, and Shurpanakha, she was एकदम ऐसा महोदरी. So, right description. Ramam Vrittam, and she is Mahodari. She is big bellied. And Lord Ram, he has beautiful eyes, big eyes. ऐसा आज, आजकल sometimes ladies they put something to increase their eyes so that अच्छा लगता है वो, लगाते हैं ना कई बार. Lord Ram had naturally those big eyes, Vishalaksha, eyes reaching the ears. That is a symptom of beauty. आजकल आर्टिफिशियली लगाते हैं वो. विशालाक्ष चल रहा है नहीं. हरे कृष्ण, थोड़ा इसका बढ़ाइए आवाज. हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण. फर्स्ट वन में डालिए ना. हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण. विशालाक्ष विरूपाक्षी, एंड शी वॉज अगली आइड वन. मतलब उनकी आंखें ऐसी थी, इट वॉज लाइक संकन वेल्स, ड्राइड अप वेल्स. ऐसी आंखें रहती है ना, ऐसा बीमारी में दिखती है ना किसी के साथ, धस गई आंखें अंदर, वैसी थी उसकी आंख. एंड लॉर्ड राम, हिज हेयर्स वर वेरी वेरी फाइन, सुकेशम. और इसका कैसा था मालूम है? ताम्र मूर्धजा. आजकल वो जो डाई करते हैं ना, ब्राउनिश, वो डीमनेस वाली हैं. सुकेशम ताम्र मूर्धजा, एंड शी लुक्स वेरी अगली. प्रिया रूपम विरूपासा, and Ram looks so very beautiful. When Lord Ram speaks, his voice is very very pleasing to hear. सुस्वरम, इनकी आवाज कैसी है? भैरव स्वना. बोलते हैं तो लगता है क्यों बोल रहे हैं. कुछ लोग रहते हैं ऐसे, यहाँ कर्कश आवाज बोलते हैं, कर्कश, वेरी वेरी इरिटेटिंग वॉइस. सुस्वरम भैरव स्वना. लॉर्ड राम इज यंग, तरुणा, एंड शी इज पक्का बूढ़ी है. शी इज कंप्लीटली ओल्ड, पूरा वृद्ध है. एंड शी कम्स एंड स्टार्ट सेइंग, यू आर सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड हैंडसम, आई एम सो ब्यूटीफुल, वी शुड एंजॉय. लॉर्ड राम, he says, look, I have taken a vow of एक पत्नी व्रत. Lakshman is alone. You go and propose him. And she is also so overwhelmed with lust. Shamelessly she goes to Lakshman and she proposes. Lakshman says, I am servant of Ram. If I marry you, you will become maid servant of Sita. So you go back to Ram. You deserve the best. Lord Ram is the best person for you to get married. Both are having all the fun time. और ये बेचारी seriously भाग रही है इधर से उधर. And then ultimately she realizes, ये सब का कारण कौन है? सीता. She attacks Mother Sita, and Lord Ram says, enough of joking, oh Lakshman, please do the needful. फिर ENT सर्जरी कर देते हैं वो. he cuts the ears and the nose of शूर्पणखा. ये पहली नहीं है जिनकी नाक और कान काटी है. लक्ष्मण का स्टैंडर्ड यूएसपी ऐसा ही लगता है. ऑल द लेडीज ही डील्स लाइक दिस ओनली. इसके पहले भी एक दो राक्षसियों को मारा ऐसे ही. अल्टीमेटली she goes running to her brothers Khara and Dushan. They are staying in Janasthan nearby, and she tells, you know what happened? Just see what they have done to me. You have to take revenge. So Khara Dushan says, कौन है? There was a human being, Ram. मनुष्य मनुष्य के लिए हमको क्यों बोल रहे हैं? We'll send one of our soldiers. हम लोग के लिए कैसे, animals are like, ठीक है, or Rakshas or humans are like that only. Manushya. That's why Ravan didn't ask any protection from human beings. It was not worth. इनसे क्या मांगना है protection? So they sent 10 demons. They were killed by Lakshman. And ultimately, Khara and Dushan, they come with 14,000 soldiers. And Lakshman, he tells Ram, "Oh Lord Ram, you go and please be with Mother Sita in that cave. I will take care of all these demons." Lord Ram says, "No, no, no. I will kill all of them. You go." Lakshman says, "अरे क्यों आप इतना हट कर रहे हैं? मैं हूं ना. I'll do the needful." नहीं, ये घर का मामला है. बोले, घर का मामला क्या भाई? तो क्या हुआ था बताया मैंने. Some few weeks back, some time back, Sita Devi, she told Lord Ram, seeing his bow, कि आप ये रखते हो कि चलाना भी आता है? ऐसा कभी कभार होता रहता ना, हंसी मजाक. So Lord Ram says, this is a time I have to show. दिखाना पड़ेगा ना भाई, दिखाएंगे नहीं तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि अपने में भी है कुछ इतना शक्ति. Within 1.5 hours, all the 14,000 soldiers were killed by Lord Ram along with Khara and Dushan. And there was one more demon, Trishira. 3 राक्षस थे, खरा, दूषण, त्रिशिरा. त्रिशिरा मीन्स उनके 3 सिर हैं, त्रिशिर. And among all these soldiers, one person escaped. His name was Akampan. He ran and somehow reached the palace of Ravan. His name was Akampan, but he was trembling. Kampan. वो कांप रहा था. And he told Lord Ram, you know what happened? He told Ravan, you know what happened? I'm just coming from Janasthan. Your brothers and your 14,000 soldiers are killed. Ram was infuriated hearing this. कौन है वो? इतना गुस्से में, लाल आंखें. Who is that person? Akampan said, there are 2 very, very beautiful looking, princes. They have destroyed all your army. So Ravan says, who is that personality? Have they come with some devtas कि अकेले आए थे? They had come with Indra and Chandra, Varuna, or they had come alone? Ravana was not able to believe. ऐसा कैसे? 2 ordinary human beings, how can they kill 14,000 soldiers? It is unimaginable for Ravan. So anyways, Ravan said, today only I will go and kill Ram and Lakshman. Akampan says, who is Ram? Ram is invincible. He can stop rivers. He can destroy planets. Just एक बार देख के समझ गया वो भाई कौन है. And people of this world, they can't understand who is God. Even a demon can understand who is God. He says he is a supreme Lord, Vishnu himself. You cannot kill him. It is impossible. Oh, Dashagriva. Who is Dashagriva? Ravan. One of the name of Ravan is Dashagriva, जिसकी 10 सिर हैं. Griva means head. He says it is impossible to kill Ram. But there is one way. I can tell you a secret. He has a very, very beautiful looking wife. She is an embodiment of beauty. She is the best of all the women in the entire universe. None of the Apsaras, Gandharvas and all the great ladies, they can't compare to her in beauty. And Lord Ram is very much attached to her. So what you should do? You should go and kidnap Mother Sita. Mother nahi, Sita. And in separation, Ram will automatically die. So he understood that Ram loves the supreme mother goddess Lakshmi, Sita. That's how Lord Ram does for every living entity practically. It is not that Lord Ram loves only Mother Sita and not any of the other beings. He loves everyone equally because everybody is his children only. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, right? 14th chapter, 4th verse, Krishna says, सर्वभूतेषु सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तय संभवन्ति तासां ब्रह्म महद्योनि अहं बीज प्रदः पिता. I am the seed giving father of everyone. So Ram, he loves every living entity. And he is always thinking how my child will come back to me. That's why he performs all these pastimes. Why Lord appears in this world? Any answers? भगवान क्यों अवतार लेते हैं? इतना तो असुरों का संहार करने के लिए और टू एस्टैब्लिश रिलीजन और परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम और आत्माओं को जो है वो भक्ति दे करके अपनी. That is the most important thing. Anyone can kill demons. भगवान को स्वयं आने की जरूरत क्या है? अंदर से हार्ट अटैक करा देंगे, मर जाएगा. एक वेसल ब्लॉक हो जाएगा, फिर अनुज प्रभु को बुलाना पड़ेगा. अनुज प्रभु आए कि नहीं बता पापा. Lord doesn't have to come to kill demons. Why he comes? He comes to reciprocate with his devotees. He comes to display his wonderful pastimes. भवेस्मिन् क्लिश्यमानानाम् अविद्या काम कर्मभि श्रवण स्मरणार्हाणि करिष्यन्निति केचन. Bhave asmin, in this world, क्लिश्यमानानाम्, people are suffering. दुख बहुत है इस संसार में. कितने भी दुखी हो, if you ask anybody, how are you? केम छो? मजामा. Good. कितना भी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा हो लेकिन मजामा तो बोलेंगे ही. Because nobody wants to show that कि मेरी भी पिटाई हो रही है. तो 25 पैसे का सर्कस बताया ना आप लोगों को मैंने. नहीं मालूम, याद नहीं, भूल गए ना? याद है ना? 25 पैसे का सर्कस चल रहा है. So in this world people are suffering. Bhave asmin क्लिश्यमानानाम्. So you can sit here. पीछे बैठे. Or there is one chair also at the back. You can sit there. है ना? Is chair empty? Yeah. अविद्या काम कर्म भी, because of the ignorance. What is the ignorance we have? कौन सा अज्ञान है हमको? हम भूल गए हैं कि हम भगवान के अंश हैं. जीवेर स्वरूप होए कृष्णेर नित्यदास. We have forgotten it. So Krishna appears in this world as Lord Ram, as Krishna, and performs all these wonderful pastimes so that we can hear about them. We can speak about them rather than talking about the things of the world, topics of this world, politics, cricket, जो भी चल रहा है उसके बारे में बोलने से अच्छा है, please try to speak about Krishna. Please try to speak about Lord Ram. That's why Lord Ram has performed all these pastimes. नहीं तो उनको क्या जरूरत है अयोध्या छोड़ के वन में जाने की? What is the need? So that we can discuss Ramayana. वो नहीं जाते तो हम रामायण नहीं डिस्कस कर पाते नहीं. That's why Lord has performed all these pastimes. So Akampan, he is saying he is Lord Ram. He is very powerful. With his arrows, he can destroy entire universe. He can inundate the entire universe with waters by his arrows. Nobody can kill him. And then he gives this idea. If you kidnap wife of Ram, then he will die. Ravan, he likes the idea. That idea. He goes to Maricha. And he says Maricha. And as he enters the hermitage, Marich was staying in a hermitage. आश्रम में कुटिया बना के रहते थे वो. क्यों ऐसा हो गया उसका भी एक स्टोरी है. He was a great demon, right? He was the son of Tadaka. Last time we discussed. Tadaka was killed by Ram and Subahu. Subahu was the brother of Marich. Subahu and Tadaka, they were killed by Ram. And Marich was thrown away 100 yojans. 1 yojan is 8 miles. After that, Marich was so scared of Ram. और रव शब्द भी सुनते थे तो he would tremble in fear. And as Ravan comes and says, Maricha, I have a plan. I want to kidnap Sita. Marich says, do you know who is Ram? He is Supreme Lord himself. With his arrows, he can destroy your entire Lanka. Whoever has given you this advice, he is your greatest enemy. Please go back. You have so many wives. Enjoy with them. ये रावण का एक ऐसा हॉबी था. Wherever he would go, if he would like some lady, he would kidnap her. He would kidnap her, molest her. But one time, he was cursed by one lady. Her name was Vedavati. So Vedavati, she was doing tapasya in the forest, and Ravan came. He saw this lady, beautiful ascetic lady, tapasvi. He came and he started bragging about himself. I am the supremely powerful Ravan. You become my wife, and I'll make you the prince, कौन सा queen? वो सबसे पटरानी बनाऊंगा मैं. The chief, my chief queen, you will be my chief queen. सबको ही बोलता है वो. सीता को भी वही बोलता है. And Vedavati says, no, I want to marry Lord Vishnu. Ravan, he becomes so angry. He catches the hair of Vedavati and starts dragging her. Vedavati was an ascetic lady, mystic. With her hands became sword. अच्छा है, आजकल किसी को ऐसा नहीं है. She was also an ascetic lady. She didn't kill Ravan with that. She cut off her hairs and she said, because I am touched by you, I can't marry Lord Vishnu now. I am contaminated. So what I'll do? I will burn myself. I'll give up my body. But I curse you. After this, if you try to touch any woman and try to molest her, you'll be dead. That's why Ravan, he never tried to do any harm to Sita. एक बहुत पहले एक सीरियल आया था, उसमें बोलते थे राम की शक्ति देखी, भक्ति नहीं देखी. राम इतना तपस्वी था, इतना चरित्रवान था, सीता को उसने छुआ भी नहीं. रावण was so चरित्रवान कि भाई सीता को छुआ भी नहीं. Why he didn't touch? Because he was cursed. And that Vedavati, she killed herself with a boon, with a benediction. She prayed, I will be the cause of your death. And that same Vedavati, she was put in place of Sita just before Ravan came to kidnap her. So we'll come up to this. So Maricha, he says, Arey, what are you doing? You are putting your hand in the mouth of a snake. Ram ko chhod do. Your entire dynasty will be destroyed. Please leave him alone. You don't know what are you doing. He says his bow is like a crocodile. If anybody is caught by the crocodile, it will never be released. You will be dead. His bow is like the gaping mouth from which flames of arrows come. Your entire dynasty will be burned to ashes. Go back. So Ravan समझ गया उस समय. He went back. चुपचाप चला गया वो वापस. And then, after some time, who came? Shurpanakha. She was crying in pain. And she started shouting at Ravan, "What type of king you are? Just see what is happening to your sister. If you can't protect your sister, what will you do for your entire kingdom?" She kept on blaspheming Ravan in front of everyone. For a person who is respected, insult is worse than death. एक बार महाभारत में ऐसा हो गया ना कि this Karna, he was about to kill Yudhishthir Maharaj. Somehow the chariot driver of Yudhishthir Maharaj, he saved him, brought him to a secluded place. And Arjun was searching him. Kahan hai Yudhishthir? He came back and found out कि यहाँ पे है Yudhishthir. And he said, "Oh, Yudhishthir Maharaj, I'm so happy that you are safe." Yudhishthir said, "Oh, Arjun, you are so wonderful. You have killed Karna." बोले कुछ किरणों मारा नहीं है, अभी आपको देखने के लिए आया मैं बाबा. I was fearful. Yudhishthir said, "What is the use of your Gandiv? Give up your Gandiv." And Arjun had taken a vow. क्या वरदान लिया था? क्या वचन लिया था? Anybody who will tell me to give up my Gandiv, I'll kill him. तो ये वचन है भाई, हमारे जैसा नहीं है कि आज बोला और नेक्स्ट सेकंड में मैंने किधर बोला था ऐसा, मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ क्या? So he takes out sword ready to kill Yudhishthir. At that time who appears? Krishna appears and says, "Wait a minute, क्या हो गया? प्रॉब्लम क्या है? बोलो ना, इतना गुस्से में क्यों? I have taken a vow, I'll kill him now. You want to kill him, right? Insult him. Insulting a Kshatriya is worse than death." And Arjun started insulting, "Because of you, we suffered in forest for 13 years. जो भी नहीं बोला था सब बोल दिया. Because of you, you are you don't have any sense control. You did gambling and we had to suffer." बहुत सारा बोला. और उसके बाद क्या बोलते मालूम है? "Now I want to commit suicide." How can I insult my brother? अभी मार रहे थे, अभी बोल रहे how can I insult? So कृष्ण क्या बोलते हैं? Hey, you want to kill yourself, right? Glorify yourself. Glorifying oneself is worse than committing suicide. So never ever glorify yourself. आज मालूम है मैंने आज पूरा 64 माला किया, मालूम है? हो गया आपका सब क्रेडिट 0. If somebody glorifies or speaks about their own spiritual credits or whatever good they have done, the credits are gone. So Shurpanakha, she started insulting and she says, you don't know who is Ram, you have to take revenge. So Ravan बोलता है कौन है भाई, बताओ तो सही, who is Ram? And which weapon he used to kill all those soldiers? Tell me. और वो वन में क्या कर रहे हैं? So Shurpanakha tells everything. And then she says, same jati hai na, she knows how to excite Ravan. What was the one thing which attracted Shurpanakha? The beauty of Ram. So she knew, I am also lusty, my brother is also like that only. हम दोनों एक ही थाली के हैं, एक ही फैमिली वाले हैं. She started glorifying the beauty of Mother Sita. And क्या बोलती है वो? अरे मैं तो सीता को आपके लिए लाने गई थी. She didn't tell कि I was lusty after Ram. She tells, I just came to get Sita for you, but that Lakshman, see what he did with me. You have to take revenge. And Sita, you deserve to be the husband of Sita. Lord, this Ram is insignificant in front of. And again Ravan, now he's really excited. Lust has hit him. And विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर है ना, एक बहुत बड़े आचार्य हुए हैं. विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर मालूम है? मिथुन चक्रवर्ती मालूम है? वही प्रॉब्लम. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, he has written, one of the very, very wonderful commentaries on Srimad Bhagavatam. So in that one place he describes the 10 effects of Cupid. How a person who is affected by Cupid, how he behaves or she behaves. तो उसके ऊपर आज चर्चा नहीं करेंगे, नेक्स्ट कभी और चर्चा करेंगे, वाला एकदम ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग है वो. So Ravan becomes really lusty. He goes back to Maricha. थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, अभी बहुत कुछ हमने सुनना बाकी है. मैंने सोचा था आज कि अभी सीताहरण भी कर देंगे और सुंदरकांड भी करेंगे, विभीषण शरणागति भी करेंगे, भी थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. So then ultimately Maricha, he had to say yes to Ravan because Ravan says, if you don't help me, I will kill you. फिर लास्ट टाइम भी ऑल्सो हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया था ना. Maricha, he accepted to be killed by Ram and serve Ravan. Is it okay? राम के हाथों से मरते हैं तो मुक्ति मिलती है, भगवान के हाथों से मरने वाले को मालूम है? चाहिए मुक्ति, चाहिए कि भक्ति चाहिए? अरे क्या बात है. हाँ जी,
अच्छा ना, इमीडिएटली सारे जंजालों से वो संसार के ही वो जो है वो इतने मानते तो राक्षसों के यहाँ तो और भी बुरी सब कुछ. मुक्ति
चाहिए कि भक्ति चाहिए? आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मारिश के उसमें वहाँ तो क्वेश्चन ही था, रावण को सर्व करना है या?
हाँ, तो वही रावण को सर्व करना है कि राम को सर्व करना है?
राम करना.
हाँ, तो उसने क्या किया?
रावण को सर्व.
He served Ravan. On the other hand, Jatayu, he served Ram and he was killed by Ravan. Who is better? Jatayu. So we should be very clear. What do we want? शांति चाहिए कि भक्ति चाहिए? इसका मतलब ये नहीं है भक्ति में शांति नहीं मिलेगी. But many times it may not be the case. But we should be ready to get, just hanker for bhakti. प्राइस तो पे करना पड़ेगा. कई बार अशांति भी आएगी जीवन में, बट वी हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस. व्हाट डू वी वांट इन लाइफ? डू वी वांट जस्ट बी पीसफुल और डू वी वांट टू सर्व राम एंड टेक द एंजाइटी ऑफ सर्विंग? just like when husband wife they get married, जीवन शांत रहता है, but still most of the times parents they want children. Why? कितनी अशांति होती है बताइए. रात भर जगना पड़ता है माँ को, कितना परेशानी. शांति का जीवन है ना. हाँ, तो क्यों अशांति चाहिए आप लोगों को? यस,
it's how you look at it. I mean, ultimate is सांसारिक चीजों में ये कि आपको टेम्परेरी मिलती है.
भक्ति में भी बहुत सारा कुछ उथल पुथल होता है. भगवान की सेवा करना आसान नहीं है. भगवान की सेवा करने में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम आते हैं. तोमार सेवा या दुख है जाता सेयो तो परमा सुख. There is one devotee who has written like this, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Oh my Lord, the troubles which I am enduring in your service, they are my greatest wealth. भगवान की सेवा में जो दुख है, मनीष प्रभु हैं, माता जी आई हैं, अभी जगन्नाथ जी को लेके आए हैं घर में, अभी तरुण प्रभु जी, अभी रेणु माता जी अभी भगवान को लेके आने वाले हैं. तो तपस्या तो है. तुम्हारा सेवा या दुख है, आपकी सेवा में तो कष्ट होगा ना, बट दे आर माई ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ. सेयो तो परम सुख, दैट इज द सोर्स ऑफ माई ग्रेटेस्ट हैप्पीनेस, ओ माई लॉर्ड, बिकॉज सेवा सुख दुख परम संपद नाशाय अविद्या दुख. सेवा के सुख में जो दुख है, दोनों भी होता है ना. सेवा करने में सुख भी है और थोड़ा inconveniences are there. That is our greatest wealth because it destroys our ignorance. So ultimately, Marich, he agreed to serve Ravan. He became a beautiful golden deer. Ramayana describes in great detail every limb of the deer. His horns were like rubies. His tail was like rainbow colored. इसका बहुत अच्छा description है. And he starts jumping around the ashram of Sita and Ram. And Sita gets attracted. This is very important. Mother Sita is with Ram. Supreme personality, the source of all pleasure. Still, she's attracted by what? A deer. हमारा भी ऐसा ही होता है. माला करते करते बहुत कुछ याद आता है. When we are chanting, we are with the Supreme Lord, right? नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्धो नित्य मुक्तो अभिन्नत्वात् नाम नामिनो. नाम एंड नामी, they are not different. भगवान का नाम भगवान से अभिन्न है. But as we start chanting, अरे कितना तपस्या है ना. मन में तो 108 ideas they come. Why not to chant today? How to postpone it for tomorrow? And mind is very expert in doing it. And when mind will convince us, हमको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. और माला रख भी दिया, पता भी नहीं चला. So Sita, she gets attracted to this deer. She says, Ram, please catch this deer now for me. And she starts, really telling again and again. उसको बोलते हैं स्त्री हट. स्त्री हट होता है, so surrender करना ही पड़ता है. So Ram, he tries to convince her, अरे बाबा, he looks like a demon. बोले नहीं, he is very very beautiful. बोले अरे बाबा, such type of entity I have not created. मैंने ही तो बनाया 84 लाख. इसमें नहीं था लिस्ट में. बोले आप भूल गए होगे, होगा इसमें. जैसे हमारे गौरांग प्रभु है ना, गौरांग प्रभु जानते हैं कुछ लोग, वेरी सीनियर जीवी के डायरेक्टर. वो पहले आत्मा सीरियल पे रिकॉर्डिंग करते थे. स्टार टीवी पे आता था, स्टार प्लस पे. 1 ही साल रिकॉर्डिंग किया था उन्होंने. एवरी ईयर वो लोग वही घुमाते रहते थे. जैसे कुछ साल पहले मैंने भी हरे कृष्णा टीवी पे रिकॉर्डिंग किया था, वो अभी तक वही चला रहे हैं. हर बार कोई आके बोलता अच्छा बोल रहे हैं प्रभु जी. तो 4-5 साल के बाद 1 पर्सन केम एंड टोल्ड प्रभु जी इस साल का बहुत अच्छा था. तो प्रभु जी से, अरे बाबा मैंने 1 ही बार किया था 1 साल पहले, 5 साल पहले, वही घुमा रहे. नहीं प्रभु जी इस साल वाला ज्यादा अच्छा था, आप भूल गए होंगे. यार मैं बोल रहा हूं ना. नहीं प्रभु जी, मैं सुन रहा हूं ना आपको. So one forgets. So Mother Sita, she is so very attracted. She says, you have to get him. Either alive or dead. Alive, so we will take him to Ayodhya and I'll keep him in my garden. And dead, we'll take the skin of this deer and we'll take that skin to Ayodhya. We'll sit on that skin. Golden skin. So ultimately, Lord Ram says, "ठीक है, I'll try. I'll get this." And he tells Lakshman, "For sure, it is a plan of the demons. Please be here." He runs behind Maricha. Marichi starts jumping and he takes Lord Ram very, very far in the forest. After many, many miles of running behind this deer, Ram realizes he is surely a demon. He takes out his arrow and he puts it on the bow, stretches it to the ear and shoots it. The arrow goes flying in the air and hits the heart of this demon. The deer just jumps high in the air and he shouts in the voice of Ram, "Oh Sita, oh Lakshman," and he dies. And Mother Sita, she is thinking, "Oh Lakshman, Lord Ram is in danger, please go and help him." Lakshman says, "Nahi, he is not Ram. I know, he's a Supreme Lord. Nothing will happen to him, don't worry." And you know what Sita says? अभी मैं समझी आप क्यों आए हो यहाँ पे. After 13 years of seva, she says, "I know why you have come. You are always lusting after me. You wanted to enjoy me. You are just looking for the chance. सोचिए अगर कोई इतना मन लगा के सेवा करे एंड इफ समबडी क्वेश्चंस द इंटीग्रिटी, तो लक्ष्मण क्या बोलेगा, यार पति पत्नी के झगड़े में यार मुझे क्यों इतना गाली सुना रहे हो, आप संभालो अपना, मैं जा रहा हूं. You know why Lakshman had to go through this? Last time we discussed. क्या था? He judged Bharat. And because now Sita is judging Lakshman, she had to go through Agni Pariksha later. Whoever you may be, if you speak wrong words, harsh words to anyone, you will have to suffer. ये ध्यान रखिए, कोई भी हो, भगवान दिखा रहे हैं कि सीता हो, लक्ष्मण हो, जो भी हो. So Lakshman, he can't do anything now. He leaves and he says, "Oh Mother Sita, I have never seen you above your feet." Because later, when Lakshman and Ram, they are searching Sita, they find the ornaments of Sita. As Sita, she's on the chariot of Ravan. She just takes out her ornaments, just put them in a cloth and throws it. Some of the monkeys, they get that bag, and Sugriva, when Lord Ram makes friends with him, he tells, "We have found these ornaments. Can you identify it?" So Ram tells Lakshman, "Lakshman, can you identify these ornaments?" Lakshman says, "Na ham janami keyure, na ham janami kundale, nupuro ami janami nityapada vivandanat." He says, "Na ham janami keyure." I can't identify the necklace. ना हम जानामी कुंडले, कुंडल भी नहीं समझ रहा, इयरिंग्स आई कांट आइडेंटिफाई. एक चीज मैं समझ रहा हूं, कौन सा? नुपुरो अमी जानामी. I can identify the anklets. Because every day while offering my respects to Mother Sita, I would see the anklets. और उनको क्या बोल रही है ये? That Lakshman who didn't eat for 14 years, didn't sleep for 14 years, उनको ऐसा बोल रही है. बट लक्ष्मण ही कुड अंडरस्टैंड, जिससे अगर प्रेम मिलता है ना, वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन समबडी. यू नो, वी हैव अ इमोशनल बैंक अकाउंट. इफ वी वांट टू, वी हैव टू डिपॉजिट समथिंग, राइट, टू विथड्रॉ समथिंग. इफ वी वांट टू डेवलप रिलेशन विद समबडी, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट. उसमें डिपॉजिट करना पड़ता है इमोशंस, गिव देम लव, care, affection. And when we chastise, that is like taking out from that bank account. So Sita, she had given maternal affection to Lakshman for all these years. वो क्या बोली सुमित्रा, याद है आपको? जब सुमित्रा गए, लक्ष्मण गए थे सुमित्रा से परमिशन लेने के लिए, एक श्लोक बोली थी ना वो.
अगर वो वनवास में जा रहे हैं तो वही आई थे.
हाँ, तो एक बार फिर से बोलेंगे वो. रामं दशरथं विद्धि मां विद्धि जनकात्मजाम् अयोध्यामाटवीं विद्धि गच्छतात यथा सुखम्. O Lakshman, consider Ram to be Dashrath, consider Sita to be myself, consider forest to be Ayodhya. In this way, go happily and serve Ram. So Sita also had given lots of motherly love. So Lakshman could understand. He left. He knew. He told, "I know when we'll come back, we'll not find you here. But I can't do anything." He leaves. Lakshman, he is Guru. He represents Guru Tattva, the acharyas, the teachers. And when living entity doesn't have faith in the words of Guru, Lakshman is telling, "Arey Lakshman, ye Ram nahi hai. He is a demon." When a living entity, when we don't trust the words of our teachers and we doubt them and we think, नहीं, इनको नहीं मालूम है, मुझे ज्यादा मालूम है, इनको क्या मालूम, I am going through this problem. How can they solve my problem? They are giving some other ideas. Then ultimately what happens? The Ravan comes. What is Ravan? Distractions. Ravan, the 10 heads of Ravan are the distractions we go through in the path of spiritual life. We all go through distractions. गुरु तत्व के बारे में नहीं सुने, आचार्यों से नहीं सुनेंगे, if we don't accept the words of the teachers, sure we'll be distracted. Our consciousness will be kidnapped. So Lakshman, he comes, he leaves, and then वाल्मीकि रामायण में लक्ष्मण रेखा के बारे में नहीं वर्णन आता है, तुलसी रामायण में आता है. ये वो लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच के जाते हैं. So then Ravan, he comes, and ultimately he takes away Sita by force, puts her on the Pushpak Viman. That Pushpak Viman was driven by 10 very cruel, not horses, donkeys. Very, very big, cruel donkeys. And as he is taking Sita, Mother Sita finds Jatayu. Jatayu had already met Ram when they had come to Tapovan. They were good friends. Jatayu and Dashrath, they were good friends. And Jatayu had given his promise, I will protect you in Tapovan. So Mother Sita, as she finds Jatayu, she says, Jatayu, you please don't try to fight with Ravan. He was very old. She says, you just tell Ram where I went. And Jatayu अगर कुछ भी नहीं करते थे ना, तो कोई उनको बोलता नहीं था कि आपने क्यों युद्ध नहीं किया. He was an old, very old vulture. But here comes a very, very important Vaishnava principle. All of us are now practicing, all this Bhakti and Gaudiya Vaishnavism for now, I think 2 years. One of the very, very important principles is Vaishnava Aparad. Offending a devotee. And Jatayu is thinking, I can't just stand and see Ravan kidnapping Sita, it is an offense. When we think wrong about devotees, when we find faults among devotees, that is an offense. It is like if somebody makes a beautiful flower garden after years and years of hard work. बहुत सुंदर एक बगीचा बनाया. And if a mad elephant enters that garden, what happens? It will be completely destroyed. If we start criticizing devotees based on what they do, how they speak, they have this type of thinking, and वो तो ऐसे ही, वो तो chanting भी नहीं करते हैं, कभी कभी करते हैं, और पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हैं. It is an offense. It is very serious, because हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करके भक्ति करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. Never ever find faults with devotees. If we are really concerned about somebody, लगता है ना कभी कभी इतना ये गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा इनको बताना चाहिए. We should have these 5 questions in mind before giving feedback to anyone. Please note down, अगर note करना है तो बहुत important है. It will help in your life throughout. First thing is, am I the right person to correct this personality? Am I right person? मुझे अधिकार है क्या? Second, is it the right time? Just imagine, अभी फेस्टिवल डे में प्रसाद का टाइम है, और एक डिवोटी ऐसा प्रसाद में पूरा 4-5 गुलाब जामुन और एकदम ऐसा पूरी 8-10 और इतना सारा पुलाव और पनीर लेके बैठा, और बोलते हैं अंदर डिवोटी हमसे, इतना कोई खाता है क्या? अभी तो सुना ना, क्लास में सुनते हैं ना, यू कंट्रोल योर सेंसेस. भाई कोई समय है बोलने का? उसको पेट भर के खाने दो, फिर जितना बोलो सब डाइजेस्ट हो जाएगा. We should know when to give feedback. Third thing, is it the right place to give feedback? Glorify publicly and chastise privately. That is a very golden sutra. If you want to glorify somebody, public में glorify करिए, प्रशांत सच अ वंडरफुल डिवोटी. ऋषिकेश नहीं है तो तुम ही होगी. ऋषिकेश आया नहीं. शी मेमोराइजेस सो मेनी श्लोकास. बाद में मैं कंपेंसेट करूंगा. चेस्टाइज प्राइवेटली. उल्टा करते हैं हम कई बार. फोर्थ, पहला तो am I the right person? Is it the right time? Is it the right place? Is it the right way to do it? Criticism should be done in such a way that the person feels मुझे सुधरना है, नहीं तो अब तो मैं ऐसा ही करूंगा. ये कोई तरीका है झापने का? इतना कोई झापता है क्या? There should be constructive criticism, not destructive. And the fifth is very important. Are my intentions right? Why am I correcting this person? Just to show that मैं तो इतना बड़ा डिवोटी हूं और ये देखो ये कैसे हैं. Our intentions matter a lot. So Jatayu, he started fighting with Ravan. Ravan was a young person. He had 20 arms, very, very powerful. He had a chariot full of celestial weapons. And what Jatayu had? Only his claws and the beak. That's all. He was old, but still he started fighting ferociously. With his beaks and with his claws, he killed the chariot driver of Ravan. He killed donkeys also. And Ravan was shooting arrows. With his wings, he was just pushing them away. He was very powerful vulture still. Ravan became really angry. He took out his sword and he chopped off the wings of Jatayu. And Jatayu fell down in a pool of blood. Still today there is a place called as Taket. गए हैं कोई यहाँ पे? कोई लोग गए? नहीं गए कभी? हम जाएंगे कभी ताकेत. नासिक की यात्रा निकालेंगे, उसमें विस्तार से रामायण ही सुनेंगे. And then Ravan took Sita away. Ram and Lakshman, they return, and for sure they realize the Sita is not there. Now Lord Ram is crying like an ordinary person. He is like, मतलब मेरी पत्नी कैसे चली गई, अब मैं कैसे जीऊंगा. एंड पीपल से अरे कैसे भगवान है आपके, देखो. ऐसा कोई रोता है क्या अपनी पत्नी के लिए? अरे ऐसे भगवान कैसे हैं आपके? Can't protect his wife, how he'll protect us? Please understand, these are the emotions Lord Ram has for every living entity. Because we have turned our face away from Krishna, so Lord Ram, Lord Krishna is also searching, he is also crying. हम नहीं रोते हैं भगवान के लिए इतना, भगवान हमारे लिए ज्यादा रोते हैं. He is also searching. मतलब अगर कोई बच्चा चला जाए, just the child leaves the parents, child may not cry, but parents will cry more. So Lord is really suffering. अरे बेचारा कब आएगा मेरे पास वापस? Searching. He keeps searching, crying. Lord Ram is completely disturbed. He behaves like a madman. He's asking trees and animals, mountains, Sita को देखा क्या? कहाँ गई सीता? And deers come and they turn their face towards the south and they jump in the air. Lakshman, he understands. Ram, maybe they are telling us something about Sita. Sita has been taken to the southern direction through the skyways. They start going towards southern direction. Ultimately, Lord Ram meets Hanumanji, and then they make a deal with Sugriva. And then ultimately, Vali was killed. Sugriva, he was made the king of Kishkindha. Sugriva came with a promise that I will help you to get your wife back. But अभी इसको किंगडम मिल गया ना वापस. Problems are gone. अभी तो मजा कर रहा है वो. और 4 महीने बीत गए. Rainy season is gone. and Sugriv is not coming back. Lord Ram is becoming impatient. He tells Lakshman, go and tell Sugriva the door by which I have sent Vali is not closed yet. If he doesn't come, I will also send him to the same place. So Lakshman, he becomes really angry. He goes and ultimately Sugriv comes. Sugriv divides the army into 4 parties, sends all the Vanaras in 4 directions, north, east, west and south. He gives the exact detail of what they will find. नॉर्थ में जाओगे तो ये मिलेगा, उसके बाद ये मिलेगा, फिर एक बड़ा सा वैली होगा, फिर माउंटेन होगा, ईस्ट में ये, वेस्ट में ये. राम बोलते हैं यार तुमने ज्योग्राफी बहुत पढ़ा यार, इतना कैसे मालूम तुमको? Says Ram, you don't know. When Vali was trying to kill me, I was running everywhere. Throughout Bhumandal, I was running, trying to find a place to hide. That time I was thinking it is a great calamity. Now I realize that calamity has become my treasure. Whenever problems come in our life, whenever we think ये तो बहुत ही difficult समय है भाई, ऐसा कैसे भगवान मेरे जीवन में दे रहे हैं? Please understand, there is always a silver lining even in the darkest of the nights. Lord never puts his devotees in a situation which is hopeless. There is always hope, provided we should have the eyes to see that. बहुत अच्छा statement है ना. When opportunities knock the door, people complain of the noise. So whenever problem comes in our life, we should always understand there is some opportunity waiting. So ultimately, तीनों लोगों को भेज दिए और Lord Ram, he calls Hanumanji and says, Hanumanji, I am giving you a very, very precious jewel. He gives his ring and he tells, whenever you meet, if you find Sita, please give this. Because Lord Ram had faith. यही पता करेंगे माँ सीता किधर है. So in due course of time, all the armies from north, east, west, they come back. Southern direction party is not coming back. They reach Rameshwaram. And now they realize, आगे तो समुद्र है, अब क्या करें? That is now Sundarkand starting. Now the name itself is, indicating it is the most beautiful part of Ramayana. What is so beautiful in this? सुंदरकांड नाम ही क्यों दिया है? बाल कांड मतलब भगवान की बाल लीला हो गई, चलो उसमें ज्यादा नहीं है लेकिन बाल लीला है. अयोध्या मतलब past times of Ayodhya. Then Aranya, what happened in one. Then Kishkindha, what happened in Kishkindha. Then अभी आ गया सुंदर. तो सुंदरकांड क्यों नाम दिए?
Because devotee है.
अरे क्या बात है, प्लीज गिव मी बिग हैंड. devotee है. The name itself indicates who is glorified in Sundarkand? हनुमान जी. भगवान राम का ज्यादा डिस्कशन है ही नहीं. It is a glorification of the supreme devotee of Ram. If we get an option to hear about Lord or the devotee of the Lord, who should we choose? What should we choose? क्यों? भगवान के बारे में नहीं सुनेंगे? If we hear the words, the pastimes of devotees, Lord Ram will be pleased the more. Shrutasya pumsam shuchirashramasya nanvanjasa suribhiriditavartha tad gunano shravanam mukunda padarvindam hridayeshu yesham. This verse from Bhagavatam describes if somebody is really endeavoring to hear, बहुत मेहनत करके समय निकाल के आके सुनते हैं ना, किसके बारे में सुनना चाहिए? Hear about the devotees. Tad gunanu shravanam. Please hear about the qualities of devotees. What is so special about them? उनके बारे में क्या है ऐसा special? Padarvindam hridayeshu yesham. They have Krishna in their heart. When we hear about the devotees, that is more beautiful. So this is the beautiful, most beautiful aspect, the story of entire Ramayana. You know what is so beautiful? What is so beautiful? Because in this, Hanumanji brings hope when everybody was hopeless. Lord Ram was losing hope. All the monkeys were losing hope. सामने इतना बड़ा समुद्र है, कोई बोल रहा है मैं 10 योजन कूद सकता हूं, 20 योजन, 30 योजन. अंगद says I can jump 100, but I can't come back. Why? नहीं, Jamvani, Angad, the son of Vali. Yes. He is thinking कि I am nature, by nature monkey. Somehow तो अभी डिवोटी बना हूं मैं. हमारा मन भी मंकी है ना. हमारे एक डिवोटी है सुदामा प्रभु, बोलते हैं जो मन की सुनता है ना मंकी होता है. जो मन की सुनते रहते हैं ना, मन बोलेगा ये करेंगे, मन बोलेगा वो करेंगे, जो मन की सुने वो मंकी. So he says, I am by nature monkey only. And if I jump and see the beautiful city of Lanka full of gold, and वहां पे ऐसे स्त्रियां भी बहुत सुंदर सुंदर हैं. So he was thinking maybe I'll be attracted. और मुझे लगे उधर रुक जाता हूँ, इसलिए मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. So we should know our limit. कितना घुसना है. वो कबड्डी का मैच देखिए ना. What is the minimum? उधर गए तो क्या करना पड़ता है? खेले नहीं है क्या कबड्डी? हाँ, टच करके वापस. एटलीस्ट टच तो करना पड़ता है ना लाइन. टच नहीं किया तो फिर आउट हो जाएंगे. सो वी शुड नो व्हाट इज आवर कैपेसिटी. ऐसा एकदम ऐसा पतला दुबला एकदम उसको काड़ी पहलवान हो जाएगा और कबड्डी कबड्डी बोल के बोलेगा सबको लेके आता हूं चलो, तो उसको उठा के बाहर फेंक देंगे वो लोग. So we should know what is our strength and how much material energy we can handle. One time Srila Prabhupada, he was in America, and all the devotees, they went to him and said, Prabhupada, we have understood, we have found that most of the people in New York, they are up all night and they are in clubs. So, and clubs means all drinking and all that. So they said, Prabhupada, we are thinking to go and do book distribution in nightclubs. Please give us your permission and blessings. Prabhupada said, okay, but make sure you come back also. So Angad बोलता है बाबा नहीं आ सकता, मैं नहीं कूदूंगा. And then ultimately Jamban, he says, Arey, this is nothing. When I was young, when Vamanadev appeared, I jumped and circumambulated the lotus feet of Vamandev 3 times. वामनदेव है ना, जिन्होंने बलि महाराज के लिए 3 पग में पूरा भूमि नापा था, वो अभी मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूं, अब नहीं कर सकता. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं अभी कौन जाएगा कौन जाएगा. एंड हनुमान जी, he is thinking, he has forgotten his powers. He's sitting silently. And then Jamban, he makes Hanuman remember his power. And then ultimately Hanumanji, he becomes really encouraged and he speaks very powerfully. We'll recite one verse which Hanumanji speaks. Ramarthan vanararthan cha Chikirsham karma dushkaram Samudrasya paramparam Dushprapam praptumicchati. So he says, for the sake of Ram, Ramartham, Vanarartham cha, and for the sake of all the monkeys, I am going to do a dushkar karma, a very, very difficult task. What will I do? Samudrasya paramparam, I'll cross this ocean. And he says, you know why I have faith? Because I am servant of Ram. It is not that मैं तो इतना बड़ा हूं मालूम है क्या. A devotee always feels whatever I am able to do, by the mercy of the Lord. मैं तो इतना सारा श्लोक याद कर लिया मालूम है, ये तो अभी ABCD भी नहीं याद कर पा रहे. Everything is possible only by the mercy of the Lord. You should never ever think that ये सब कितने अभी ठीक है, अभी नए नए डिवोटी हैं, हम तो आगे बढ़ चुके हैं, हम तो इतनी अच्छे से भक्ति करते जा रहे हैं, ये लोग को ठीक है आप भी करोगे कभी. If we ever feel like this, we are gone. If we think मैं ये डिवोटी से बेटर डिवोटी बन गया, अभी तो गया फिर. It is not the beginning of downfall, it is already fallen. So we should never feel that I am better than somebody. So Hanumanji, why he is telling? Because he wants to give faith and hope to all the monkeys. I'll do it. The same Hanumanji, he says, today I will go and I will uproot Lanka. If I don't find Sita in Lanka, I'll go to heaven. And I बहुत सारा कुछ बोलते हैं. तो बोलेंगे ये कैसे डिवोटी अपने बारे में इतना बड़ा बड़ा बोल रहे हैं. And when the same Hanumanji reaches Lanka, how he introduces himself to Mother Sita? Anyone knows what he tells to Mother Sita? He tells, I am the most insignificant monkey in the army of Lord Ram. क्या बोल रहे हैं? अरे मेरे से सब बड़े ही हैं लंका, ये भगवान राम की सेना में, मैं तो सबसे छोटा हूं. So that is how a devotee always feels. And he says, just like the arrow of Ram goes and hits the target, I will go to Lanka by the speed of arrow and I will find Mother Sita. And then ultimately he jumps. He thinks अभी इस अर्थ से जंप करूंगा तो अर्थ can't bear the power. He climbs a mountain. कौन सा माउंटेन है क्या? देखिए, थोड़ा सुने क्या रामायण? देखे हो तो होंगे ना, अभी टीवी पे आया था ना कुछ समय पहले. He climbs the Mount Mahendra and he prepares himself to jump. कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? His hands and knees on the ground. His tail is curved in circles behind him. He clenches his fists and the legs, bows his head down, looks up, and with great force he jumps in the air. As he jumps, behind him all the big trees and the mountain peaks are uprooted. And they are flying in the air behind him like a trail. And they fly for some distance, and then all the trees and the mountains, some animals, they are also flying in the air. Then they fell down. Ab Hanumanji is in the air. He gets a doubt. बीच में गिर गया तो कूद तो लिया, बीच में गिर गया तो क्या होगा? But then he says, how can I think like this? I have the power of the name of Lord Ram. Nothing will happen to me. That's the faith of a devotee. Khuda hai na? It is like entering spiritual life is like that jump. उसमें थोड़ा सा रिस्क रहता है, नहीं तो पता चला इधर से तो कूद गए. It is like entering a big tunnel. ट्रेन घुसता है ना टनल में, इधर का लाइट चला गया, इधर का लाइट दिख नहीं रहा है. मुझे तो बोला था चैंट हरे कृष्ण एंड बी हैप्पी. काय का भी हैप्पी? इधर तो चैंटिंग सबसे बड़ा तपस्या हो रहा है, और हैप्पी क्या, रोना आ रहा है. बोले खत्म नहीं होता, टेंशन आता है फिर, और फिर लगता है क्यों पकड़ा, कौन सा टाइम था कि पकड़ लिया मैंने, क्यों सुन लिया. समटाइम्स माइंड विल से ऑल दीज थिंग्स. नहीं आता है तो अच्छा है, बट आएगा कभी कभी, देखो बज भी रहा है. So Hanumanji thinks, how can I think like this? And he chants the name of Lord Ram and he continues his journey. As he is in the air, one very, very powerful, beautiful, long mountain rises from the ocean. His name is Mainak. पहले के समय में mountains had wings. Mountains would fly. Just imagine mountains flying. इधर से उड़ के उधर जाके बैठ रहे. पहले ऐसा होता था. And as they would land, they would crush many animals, many entities. So what Indra did, he cut off the wings of all the mountains. बेचारा एक बच गया, Mainak. Dashrath Maharaj protected him. So he became friend of Dashrath. So Mainak, he thought he is going to help Ram. He is going to find Sita. Before that, just थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करेंगे. जब वो लोग सब मंकीज लोग रामेश्वर पहुंचे थे ना, एंड दे वर थिंकिंग अभी क्या करें, अभी आगे तो दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ, तो एक काम करते हैं, वापस तो जा नहीं सकते. वापस जाके अगर बोलेंगे राम को सीता नहीं मिली तो क्या होगा? राम विल डाई. राम डाइज, लक्ष्मण विल डाई. एंड लक्ष्मण डाइज, राम डाइज, सुग्रीवा विल डाई. एंटायर किष्किंधा विल गो इन डिप्रेशन. Ayodhya news will reach there. Ayodhya Vasis will die in separation. So एक काम करते हैं, let us only commit suicide. क्या फायदा ये समाचार देके? As they are contemplating, there was one vulture sitting on the top of a tree, he listening all this, and he was in ecstasy. चलो भाई खाना prepare हो रहा है. And as they were discussing, we tried so much. That great Jatayu, he left his body to protect Mother Sita. As name of Jatayu came, this vulture came down. He said, "Hey Jatayu का नाम लिया, कौन है, क्या हो गया उसको?" Jatayu, who are you? He said, "I'm brother of Jatayu." Who was he? Sampati. फिर पूरा स्टोरी बताया संपाति को, and Sampati said, "With my vision I can see Sita is on the other side of the ocean in that Ashok Vatika." And that's how they were thinking. So Mainak, he appeared from the ocean. And क्या बोलते हैं मालूम है? हनुमान जी अब इतना बड़ा सेवा करने जा रहे हैं, एक काम करो, थोड़ा आराम करो. सुबह उठ के आप जपा करने जा रहे हैं, एक काम करते हैं, नींद बहुत आ रही है, थोड़ा सो जाते हैं, थोड़ा 15 मिनट झपकी मारते हैं, उसके बाद फ्रेश मन से चैंटिंग करेंगे. कैसा आइडिया लगा? फर्स्ट क्लास है ना? मन के आइडिया ऐसे ही रहते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि अरे बराबर बोल रहा है यार. फ्रेश होके देखो, एनीवेज देखो, जपा करेंगे तो नींद आने वाली. काम करते हैं, सो जाते हैं, सो के उठ के अभी इधर पहले ही वार्निंग हो रहा है अभी लोगों का, भी आगे क्या बोलूं मैं. So Mainak says, "Please take rest for some time. बहुत बड़ा जर्नी है, आराम से. इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है यार, हौले हौले आराम से प्योर डिवोटी बनो, इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है? आज ही थोड़ी ना आपको वैकुंठ पहुंचना है. स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. सुना है कि नहीं? थोड़ा आराम करो." So हनुमान जी, what he says, "I don't have time." One of the quality of a devotee is avyarth kalatvam. क्या है? बोल नहीं रहे हैं सब लोग. हाँ, that means not wasting time. We can't afford to waste time. All our other friends and relatives, our office colleagues, they can afford to watch movies, they can afford to go and spend time with other things. उनको सोला मला नहीं करना है, और whatever rounds. उनको फ्राइडे क्लास में नहीं आना है, उनको भगवत गीता नहीं पढ़नी है, उनको लेक्चर्स नहीं सुनने हैं, उनको घर पे जगन्नाथ जी का डीटी वर्शिप नहीं करना है, उनको गौरनिताय का भी वर्शिप नहीं करना है. गौरनिताय आज आ गए इनके घर पे, हम लोग अभी लेके आए हैं अभी. उनका दर्शन लेकिन 30 तारीख को ही होगा. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल डीटीज. So we can't afford to waste time. So Hanumanji, what he does? Out of gratitude, he says, "You are giving me such service, I'm very grateful." He just touches the surface of the mountain, puts on his head, and then he continues his journey. This is complacency. One obstacle in the path of a devotee is complacency. आराम से करेंगे, माला बाद में कर लेंगे, ये भी क्या जल्दी. As he progresses, 5 minutes और है. As he progresses, as he's flying in the air, another personality appears from the water. Her name is Surasa. She opens her mouth wide and she says, I have got a benediction from Brahmaji. Whoever crosses this path, they have to enter my mouth. So Hanumanji says, देखो कोई टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास, मैं जाके सीता को ढूंढ के आता हूं, उसके बाद घुसूंगा. बोले मेरे को क्या मूर्ख समझा है? आई विल बिलीव वर्ड्स ऑफ मंकी. You have to enter my mouth first. So Hanumanji, he becomes big. And Surasa, she opens her mouth bigger. ऐसा बहुत बड़ा होते जा रहे competition. And then ultimately Hanumanji shrinks his size and enters the mouth of Surasa and came out. And he says, okay, आपका promise पूरा हो गया ना? What you said, unless somebody enters your mouth, you will not allow. So Surasa, she says, I am so very happy. This was the trick, a trap given to me by the Devatas to test your intelligence. We all will be tested, by the way, in our path of bhakti. Sometimes our friends will test us, sometimes colleagues, sometimes relatives, sometimes Devatas will also test our determination. और हमारा मन तो करता ही रहता है हमको टेस्ट. Then he goes ahead and another demoness, she appeared. Her name is Simhika. As Hanumanji is flying, she catches the shadow of Hanumanji. And Hanumanji suddenly, he is paralyzed. क्या हो गया? अभी तो उड़ रहे थे अच्छे से, क्या हो गया अचानक? Simhika, she starts dragging him down to eat him. You know, this is like envy. Envy means catching the wrong side of people. Dark side. So Hanumanji enters the mouth of this lady, this demoness, and he tears apart the heart of Simhika and comes out and kills her. Then ultimately lands in Lanka. As she lands in Lanka, as he lands in Lanka, he takes a very small form of a monkey, starts moving around. Another demoness appeared. Her name is Lankini. She says, I am the personification of Lanka. Nobody can enter this city without my permission. What are you doing here? He says, I have come to just eat some fruits and roots. So she says, you can't enter inside. So Hanumanji says, ये urgent है, जाने दो, आने के बाद बात करेंगे. She says, no. Hanumanji, he becomes big and slaps this Lankini. तो लंकिनी बोलती है, जाओ, मुझे ब्रह्मा जी ने बोला था कि जब बंदर आके झापड़ मारेगा ना, please understand that is the beginning of the end of Lanka. And then ultimately Hanumanji, he enters and he finds Mother Sita. Long story of Sundarkand that we'll discuss some other time. So these are the beautiful pastimes of Lord Ram. As we are hearing these wonderful pastimes, as Ram Navami is approaching, we should try to pray to Lord Ram, pray to Hanumanji, so that we can also get that determination to practice, determination to serve. Otherwise, it is very, very difficult to practice bhakti. Our mind will always cheat us. We should pray to get that determination to serve Lord Ram, to be protected from the from Ravana-like tendencies we have in our mind. Try to control our senses. Try to follow the words of the teachers and spiritual masters. Then slowly Ramji will come and he will kill Ravan and protect the devotion in our heart. Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai, Shri Ram Lakshman Sita Maiya ki jai, Shri Hanuman ji ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna. Thank you.